Hey YouTube, so today I would like to unbox my two latest purchases, which is a solo stove Messa XL in Mulberry and a Messa XL accessory kit, or accessory pack I should say. If you have never had a solo stove product, you're really missing out. I have a bonfire sitting on my patio, actually right over here next to me, and I use it all the time. It's awesome. No smoke comes out of it, so you can use it if you live close to other people. But Solo Stove makes some great products, and so I'm gonna unbox this, and so you can see what you're getting when you get the Messa XL, which is larger than the regular Messa, obviously, and what you get when you get the Messa XL accessory pack. So let's see what we've got. Alright, so I got the mulberry color because I thought it was really pretty. There are all kinds of colors on the website, so you get to choose, kind of which one you want. But let's go ahead and get this open and see what's inside. Also, automatically, my favorite thing, stickers. Don't know if you guys like stickers as much as me, but I love stickers. So it all comes in a nice little pouch with an instruction manual. It tells you how to set it up. It tells you what it comes with and how to get started. So let's dive in here and see what we've got. On top, you have the fire ring. So this is basically a miniature version of the bonfire, and I believe the Yukon. I don't have the Yukon, but I do have a bonfire. So it's pretty big. This is the XL, so the Messa, like the smaller original version, is not near as big as this. It comes with a stand, so you don't burn your wooden table or burn your, I guess, whatever you set it on. You just lock those legs into place like that. You can also unlock them as well. So this goes down here, sits on that. There it is on the stand. So it's pretty far off the glass table, so that's pretty nice. Alright, let's see what else we have in here. Alright, so Messa XL accessory pack. It was on sale also, so I had to get it because I can't let stuff go on sale without getting it. Got it here. See if I can get this open, maybe. There we go. Alright, comes in a nice little pouch. And look, another sticker, which is what I love. So it's worth it right there just to get it for the sticker. Alright, so we have a nice little pouch that it all comes in. Storage pouch. A little clasp. It's really nice. Open it all up. Alright, that's pretty sweet. So we have a pellet scooper. That's what this is for. You can actually buy pellets from Solo Stove. Some guy did a review on YouTube, and I think they last forever. So if you want to have a fire that lasts forever, pretty sure it's like 3 hours worth, but he filled it to the top. These are really cool. I had to get these. So this marshmallow and hot dog roaster. I mean, that's really cool. How can you not like that? Okay, then this little side over here, got another little pouch. this is another reason why I wanted to buy this. It is a lid. It's a lid. It's really cool. Let's pull it over here. You just put this lid on top. I mean, you know, I guess you could keep it outside if you wanted to. But there it is. It's a lid right there. That's really nice. Okay, one more thing to show you in this pouch. Go over here to this side. And we have little stands for your marshmallow and hot dog holders so they can stay off the table. Probably not completely necessary, but I mean, that's really cool. So it sits on there so that it's not touching the table. So if it's got nasty stuff on it, you lay it on there, keep your table clean. So that's really cool. So this is the Messa XL in mulberry, and the Messa XL accessory pack, and all that you get with it. So when it's not too hot, I'm gonna light it up and see how it goes. But it's a really nice setup, perfect for, you know, patio table. So there you have it. Hope this helps. See you guys next time.